Hey everyone, and welcome to our awesome Italian adventure. We're so excited to have you join us on this journey through one of the most beautiful and culturally rich countries in the world. Italy is a place where history, art, and modern life blend seamlessly, creating an experience like no other. Today, we're checking out the 10 best places to visit in Italy. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Rome, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just someone looking to enjoy some delicious Italian cuisine, you're in for a treat. Every traveler should see these. Imagine walking through ancient ruins, exploring world-renowned museums, and tasting the best pasta and pizza you've ever had. Italy is a country that captivates the heart and soul of every visitor. From the old ruins of Rome to the pretty canals of Venice, Italy is super cool. The Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the romantic waterways of Venice are just a few of the iconic sights that await you. If you love history, art, beautiful places, or just yummy food, Italy has something for you. Picture yourself savoring a gelato while strolling through a charming piazza or enjoying a glass of wine in a rustic vineyard. The experiences are endless and unforgettable, so pack your bags, get ready for fun, and let's explore the magic of Italy. Let's go. Whether it's your first visit or you're returning to discover more, Italy promises to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Join us as we uncover the wonders of this incredible country. First, we're going to Rome, a city filled with history. Rome is like an open-air museum where every corner tells a story. Imagine standing in the Colosseum where gladiators fought, a monumental amphitheater that has stood the test of time, and hearing the cheers of the crowds. The Colosseum is not just a structure, it's a symbol of the grandeur and brutality of ancient Rome. Close by, you can walk through the Roman Forum, a sprawling ruin of architectural fragments and columns, the center of the Roman Empire. Imagine the busy market, the important talks, the political debates, and the social gatherings that shaped history, and the everyday life that happened right where you're standing. It's like stepping back in time, where every stone has a story to tell. And you have to see Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world, yet so rich in art and history. Home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican museums. They're amazing. St. Peter's Basilica is an architectural marvel, and the Vatican museums house some of the most important art collections in the world. But Rome isn't just old stuff. It's a city that seamlessly blends the ancient with the modern. It's a fun city with cool neighborhoods to explore. Take Trastevere, for example, a charming district with a bohemian vibe. Walk through Trastevere with its small streets, pretty buildings, and lively restaurants. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of local life, and don't forget to try the food. Roman cuisine is a delightful journey in itself. Rome is a yummy adventure. From pasta to pizza, every meal is a celebration of flavors. So whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or a foodie, Rome has something for everyone. Next, we are going to Florence, where art and culture are everywhere. Get ready to see amazing buildings, from the Duomo to the Ponte Vecchio bridge. First, we'll see Michelangelo's David. Then, we'll see tons of Renaissance art at the Uffizi gallery. Walk across the Ponte Vecchio with its shops and enjoy the romantic feeling. Florence is best explored on foot, so get ready to discover hidden squares and cool workshops. Get ready to love Venice, a city that seems to float on water. It's romantic and historic. Venice is a place where every corner tells a story, and every canal whispers secrets of the past. The city is a labyrinth of waterways and narrow streets, each leading to a new adventure. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by its unique charm and timeless beauty. Imagine riding in a gondola, listening to a gondolier sing. The gentle sway of the boat, the sound of the water lapping against the sides, and the melodious voice of the gondolier create an unforgettable experience. As you glide through the canals, you'll pass by historic buildings and under charming bridges, each with its own story to tell. It's a journey back in time to an era of elegance and romance. The center of Venice is Piazza San Marco, with the beautiful St. Mark's Basilica. This grand square is the heart of the city, bustling with life and activity. Here you can marvel at the intricate architecture of the basilica, with its stunning mosaics and towering spires. The piazza is also home to the iconic campanile, offering breathtaking views of the city from its top. It's a place where history and culture come alive. Explore the Doge's palace and get lost in the small streets and bridges. The palace, once the residence of the Doge of Venice, is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Inside you'll find opulent rooms adorned with priceless art and intricate details. As you wander through the narrow streets and over the charming bridges, you'll discover hidden gems and quiet corners that capture the essence of Venice. It's a city made for exploration and discovery. Go to a Baccaro, a Venetian bar, and try some cicchetti, small snacks with local wine. These cozy bars are the perfect place to experience the local culture and cuisine. Enjoy a variety of delicious bites, from seafood to cured meats, paired with a glass of regional wine. It's a social experience where you can mingle with locals and fellow travelers, sharing stories and making new friends. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, a true taste of Venetian hospitality. Explore the back streets and find hidden squares and artisan workshops. These lesser-known areas of Venice are filled with charm and character. Discover quaint squares where locals gather and visit workshops where artisans create beautiful handcrafted items. From glass blowing to mask making, you'll see traditional crafts that have been passed down through generations. It's a side of Venice that few tourists see, offering a glimpse into the city's rich cultural heritage. Venice will steal your heart. As the sun sets over the canals, the city takes on a magical glow. Stroll hand in hand with a loved one, or simply take in the breathtaking views from one of the many bridges. The beauty of Venice is timeless, and its charm is irresistible. Whether you're visiting for the first time or returning for another adventure, Venice will always leave you longing for more. Let's take a road trip to the Amalfi coast, a beautiful place. Imagine driving along the coast with the blue Mediterranean Sea below. We'll stop in Positano, a pretty town on the cliffs. Explore the shops and cafes and have some gelato while enjoying the views. Then we'll visit Amalfi. The Amalfi coast is beautiful and relaxing. Next, we're going to Cinque Terre, 5 pretty towns on the Italian Riviera. These colourful towns, connected by hiking trails and a train, show a simple way of life. Start in Rio Maggiore and hike the Via dell'Amore, Lover's Lane. In Manarola, try focaccia bread, then go to Corniglia, high on a cliff. Cinque Terre is a place to relax, enjoy nature, and experience the sweet life. Let's explore Tuscany with its rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns. We'll start in Siena, famous for its horse race. Then we'll drive through the Tuscan countryside, past vineyards and farmhouses. Stop at a winery and try some Chianti Classico wine. Visit San Gimignano, a town with medieval towers, and enjoy the Tuscan food. Get ready for fashion and design in Milan, Italy's most cosmopolitan city. We'll see the Duomo, a huge cathedral. Then we'll see Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. We'll visit the Pinacoteca di Brera Art Museum. Walk through the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, the second shopping arcade. And see a show at the Teatro alla Scala Opera House. Next, we're going to Naples, the home of pizza. Try a real Neapolitan pizza. But Naples is more than just pizza. Explore the historic centre with its streets, markets, and churches. We'll visit Pompeii, the ancient Roman city. Walk the streets and imagine life in this old city. Naples and Pompeii are full of history and good food. Get ready for the beauty of Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean. We'll start in Palermo, Sicily's capital city. Explore the historic centre with its cool architecture. We'll visit the Valley of the Temples with ruins of Greek temples. Then we'll go to Mount Etna, a volcano. Sicily is beautiful and has great food. Our last stop is Lake Como, a beautiful and peaceful place. Imagine relaxing by the lake with mountains and gardens around you. We'll visit Bellagio, the pearl of Lake Como. Then we'll take a ferry to Varenna, another pretty town. Lake Como is a perfect place to end our trip. Until next time, that was our tour of Italy's best places. From Rome to Lake Como, Italy is amazing. Subscribe so you don't miss our next adventures. Until next time, happy travels.